Tenoning and mortising at double side, able to drill and do craft seam. Full CNC controlling, HIF efficiency producing. Horizontal angle range, -5 to 45 degree. Vertical angle range, -10 to 30 degree. Only take 3 minutes to transfer the product information. Width adjusting. "45-degree tenoning. Mortising precisely. Male and female tenon, sample display. Machining samples of square tenon, round tenon, and waist round tenon. Square tenon. Round tenon. Waist round tenon. Also able to mortise craft slot.